Did you know that you can make additional income from affiliate marketing despite having a full-time job? A big problem that employees face, according to a 2022 survey by Glassdoor, is work life balance. 76% of employees reported experiencing work life imbalance, and 69% said that it had a negative impact on their mental health. So, to help you to make additional income from affiliate marketing, I will share the 5 things that I did when I was in a 9 to 5 job. Hello everyone, my name is Shubhamjeet Kumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach, and let's jump in. How can you make money from affiliate marketing despite having a full time job? This is one of the commonly asked questions, and if you have been thinking about starting affiliate marketing, I will share my journey to help you get started. Okay, but first things first, can you legally do business and job together? I'm not a legal expert, so I will rely on the sources I found on the internet to answer this question. Okay, look, an advocate on Law Rato says no, a government employee is not allowed to run a private business. Neither is he allowed to work anywhere else as a part time or full time employee. This is against the government rule, and hence, the person who is found can be charged for breaking the law. However, if you are a private company employee, a Start Easy post says, yes, it is possible to start a successful business along with a job in India. In fact, it is now easier than ever. A lot of people are already doing it. Besides, you have to make sure that you are legally free. So, if you are a private company employee, this is good news for you. You can do affiliate marketing with your job. So, now I will share my journey and I will share how did I begin. Okay, so the idea of starting my business popped up in my mind when I was in a full-time job. Okay, I won't mention the reason, but it enraged me so much that I wanted to get out of it as soon as possible. So after logging out at 6:30, I used to take a 30-minute break. Then from 7 p.m. onwards, I used to make time to learn. Okay, so if you have a job, please ensure that you finish your daily work before doing affiliate marketing. Start working on your business only when you have logged out. So if your working hours are between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m., you can work on your business either before 9 a.m. or after 5 p.m. Okay. Do not do business during your working hours. Okay. So initially, I spent about 60 to 70 minutes learning the basics and increase the time when I started to implement what I learned. So, in my opinion, if you want something badly enough, in this case, starting an affiliate marketing business, you will make time. So, in my experience, affiliate marketing is something that anybody can learn and start and excel, provided you learn regularly, get trained by a mentor, and take action. So, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, if you want to start your business and leave your 9 to 5 job as soon as possible, the first thing to do is to learn from a mentor. So that's my first point, to learn from a mentor, and I learned from a mentor. I couldn't be where I am and I couldn't have achieved what I've achieved if I hadn't learned from my mentor, Mr. Siddharth Rajshekhar. I owe him a big time. I learned the absolute basics of an online business from him, and those clear, simple, and powerful lessons proved to be the foundation of my robust affiliate marketing business. Apart from following a proven, battle tested path, you will relish the lessons shared by your mentor. Okay, I will tell you why. Number one, your mentor wants you to grow. Mentors, just like your parents, want to see you grow and achieve everything that you want. I've experienced that my mentor wanted my professional and personal development. He says, your business will grow to the extent that you grow. So, a mentor will help you set realistic goals and share the steps to achieve them. A mentor will also give you feedback on your work and share practical strategies and steps to overcome your weaknesses. As a result, over time, you will build skills, become a better person, create high quality content for your audience, and grow your business. Okay. The second reason why you should learn from a mentor is mentors are a source of knowledge. My mentor shared his experience, resources, tools, and everything that he had to help me to establish my business in a lesser amount of time. So, what do you think you can achieve in 3 months? You can achieve in 2 to 3 weeks with the help of a mentor. Okay, so a mentor offers the instructions on how to perform a particular task or to develop a particular skill. So, anybody starting their affiliate marketing business or a business in general can benefit from a mentor's guidance, as they will help you to create a 90-day business plan. They will help you to set up crucial tools and systems. They will help you to create high quality content. They will help you to build trust in the market. You will learn traffic generation and so on. Okay. Now, the third reason why you should learn from a mentor is that mentors offer encouragement. When you struggle to finish a task or to achieve a goal, you can reach out to your mentor for support. Your mentor will know and understand your struggle, as they have faced the same when they started. So, with empathy, they will be able to provide the support and solution you need. This support or encouragement will motivate you to keep going despite facing challenges. So, if you get a mentor who guides you in one on one coaching sessions, they will be able to identify your strengths and make you realize your capability. The fourth reason why you should learn from a mentor is mentors offer constructive criticism or feedback. So, when you work with a mentor, they are able to identify your strengths and weaknesses. This allows them to help you identify your weaknesses and overcome them. So, a trustworthy mentor, just like your parents, always has your best interests at heart and will play a pivotal role in your success. A mentor knows when to love you and when to crack the whip. They will share constructive criticism to help you build your skills, learn concepts and strategies, and implement the crucial systems rather than make you feel bad about yourself. There's a difference between a mentor and a boss. Okay, a mentor will always help you overcome your weaknesses and to help you improve. All right. And the fifth reason why you should learn from a mentor is mentors have the relevant experience. If you want to learn anything, choose a mentor who has experience in the field relevant to your goals. For example, if you want to promote products in the health niche, choose a mentor who has achieved considerable success in the health niche. When your mentor shares their journey, you can use it as a roadmap or an example to strive toward achieving your goals. A mentor usually shares the mistakes they made along the way and the lessons they learned, so you do not go through the pain and the consequences that they did. These negative consequences or experience can help you prepare for the challenges up ahead. So when the challenges do show up, you are ready with the helicopter shot and hit them out of the stadium. Now, the second thing that I did was I developed the crucial skills. After learning the basic concepts of affiliate marketing, it was time for me to begin my journey. It was the time for me to put things into practice, so I started developing all the skills my mentor said were crucial to achieving success in affiliate marketing. With time, I saw myself getting better at traffic generation, lead generation, content writing, copywriting, marketing, generating sales and commissions, and building a tribe. But why do you need skills to run an affiliate marketing business? Okay, let me take you back to the example or to the definition of affiliate marketing. According to the formal definition, affiliate marketing is the process of promoting other people's products and making commissions if you make sales. Okay, so many people assume that they will generate sales and commissions by spamming their affiliate links everywhere, but they get demoralized when their tricks do not work. I've studied over 50 super affiliates and realized that what differentiates them from ordinary affiliate marketers is that they develop the crucial skills needed to succeed. Okay, so once I developed the crucial skills, all the skills that I shared, I started to see the growth in my bank account. Only after developing the skills that I shared, I was able to make 3,54,375 rupees in just 5 months. And since then, my income has not stopped. So if you really want to make a lot of income, a lot of commissions from affiliate marketing, you'll have to develop the crucial skills. All right. Now, the third thing that I did was I worked every single day. As I said earlier, after logging out at 6:30, I would take a 30-minute break and start working on my affiliate marketing business at 7 p.m. I made the conscious decision to work on building my affiliate marketing business every day, no matter what. Sometimes I used to get up an hour earlier to ensure that I kept the promise to myself that I was going to get things done for my affiliate marketing business. Look, I believe it's all about the choices that you make and how you manage your time. On weekends, I used to start working at around 9 a.m. and did not shut my laptop until I achieved my weekly goals. I know initially I was bad at everything. Nobody in my family ever did business. So learning the nitty gritty of business was a huge challenge for me. But I did not give up. So I believe if you really want to do something, you will find a way. I wanted to leave my job, so I worked despite not knowing if what I was doing is right. I was bad. Many who started after me saw great results, and I started doubting myself. But once in a session, my mentor said, "Do it anyway." He added, "You will be horrible today. You'll be horrible tomorrow. You'll be horrible after a month. You'll be horrible after 6 months. But one day, you will have that aha moment." Many people do not start because they're afraid of failure and they want to start perfectly. They want to start creating high converting ads from the word go. They want to generate thousands of visitors to their website as soon as they launch them. They want to have sales pouring into their bank account. They want to have money pouring into their bank account from day one. And they want to get thousands of lead as soon as they launch that lead magnet. Look, having such goals is fine, but expecting results from the first day itself is unrealistic. I was committed to work and grind. After grinding every day for 9 months, I earned my first commission. Yes, I had to work hard for 9 months before earning my first commission. And that was my aha moment. Now, in hindsight, I feel that every pain, every negative experience, every struggle that I went through was really worth it. The fourth thing that I did was I was kind to myself. This is extremely crucial. When you do not get results, do not beat yourself up. You are a human being and it takes time to learn new things. If you're unable to spend 1 to 2 hours every day, start by investing 30 minutes. Slow progress is also progress. Okay? I understand that it is extremely difficult to invest 1 to 2 hours after a full day of exhausting work. So don't be harsh on yourself if you cannot spend 60, 70 minutes every day. Every day, I think starting with 30 minutes is fine. On days when you have energy, when you feel you can do more, when you can spend more time, you are free to do so. When you face challenges, say to yourself, I cannot do it now, but with time, I will ace it. When you learn a new skill, and when you want to learn a new skill, say, I'm bad at it now, but with time, I will get better. During the rough patches, treat yourself like you would treat a loved one. After all, you are a human being, not a chat GPT AI robot, isn't it? And the fifth thing that I did was I started small. Many beginners feel that they need to invest thousands or lakhs of rupees every month on affiliate marketing. The good news is, it is not true. To promote a product as an affiliate, you need to generate an affiliate link. Platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, JVZoo, CJ Affiliate, and so on let you create and generate affiliate links right away. So after getting your affiliate link, you can start promoting them for free on social media, on instant messaging apps like WhatsApp, or you can even promote on LinkedIn. Okay. Now, starting a business for free is one of the most exciting advantages of affiliate marketing. And alternatively, if you want, you could invest a small amount into your affiliate marketing business to run ads and to promote your products. So to run an affiliate marketing business, I set up the following systems. If you want, you can note them down. Okay. The first system is you should have a personal website. You should have a good hosting and domain platform. You should have an email marketing system. You should have a webinar system. You should have ad accounts. You should have a reporting system. You should have a tracking system. If you love creating courses, if you want to create your course, you should have a learning management system. You should have a training system, and you should have a scheduling system like Calendly. Okay, so all the tools that I shared, most of them are free, but a few of them require you to pay and use. I will also add that the cost to purchase all the tools that I shared is quite less than the equipment cost involved in other businesses. Okay, so as soon as I started seeing desirable results, I increased my expenditure on the tools, systems, and ads and multiplied my income. And once I reached an income level equivalent or just a little above my salary, I resigned, and now I am living a more peaceful and happier life. And I'd like to end it by saying you are the captain of your ship and you can set sail in any direction that you choose. Okay. But now, okay, those were the 5 things that I did to start my affiliate marketing business. But what if you love your job? I know many affiliate marketers who love their 9 to 5 job and do affiliate marketing on the side during the weekends. So if you like your job, awesome. You can certainly do both, but you have to check the policies of your organization. Okay. Look, since your affiliate marketing business will be running about 80 to 90% on autopilot, you can generate leads and commissions while working at your 9 to 5 job. Look, think of affiliate marketing or the commissions that you earn from affiliate marketing like getting paid twice. And believe me, who does not want more money? So that's about this video. In this video, I shared the 5 things that I did while I was in a job, how I started my affiliate marketing business, and my journey from start to the end, and how I resigned from my job. So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you'd like to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.